This is the pH scale. So it is from 0 to 14, and 7 is the middle or the neutral number. So from 0 to 6 it is acidic, and from 8 to 14 it is alkaline, and the 7 in the middle represents the neutral. So if a solution has a pH of 7, then it is neutral. So importance of pH and soil acidity. So soil pH is analyzed to indicate the acidity or alkalinity of soil. Most plants favor a pH value of between 5 to 8. Now, changes in soil which causes a pH to be outside this range adversely affects the plant process, resulting in reduced growth and crop yield. So soils may become acidic from acid rain, overuse of fertilizers. Now, crushed or powdered limestones or lime or slaked lime is added to neutralize the excess acidity in the soil. So, the addition process must be carefully monitored, as if added in excess, further damage could be done.